We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side. I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this back.
Yeah, man. Here again at the airport, you know. On our way back to Toronto. Yeah, man. We're adventure again. Adventure to Jamaica is ended. So we're heading back to Toronto. Our flight is delayed. We're not leaving here until it's now 10 minutes to 5, and we're not leaving until 8:45. So the flight is delayed, I think 4 or 5 hours. So me and Leah there, Shante, Yvette and Lynette. Lynette. We're gonna come back.
So I but I have him happy.
So some gate they don't move down. You took a crap low on the background.
What me are you?
The chicken tastes good. It is chicken? What's the name chicken?
Oh, someone right now have a good money while they're Shante. Man, it's a big money now. Guess what's the big money can buy? Something to eat, and we not pay no mind. It's a big money now. That's simple and say. No money, a big money over there. Right, party. And then you look and say, what's here now? Why Rasta and party? I beg you a big
The local time is 4 o'clock p.m.
But in this minute right now, and I say, well, Rasta eat party. Then they go to her, I pop out $500.
I should not hear him.
She not hear not, because she not hear, say, man, I diss me up already.
If she didn't hear, she didn't in, then I get the $500.
No.
I couldn't actually give $500. Then she say, pop out $500. I
So
forgot give.
we're telling no.
Because man just diss me up.
If I say the money to ask for Rasta and party.
Joe can make you hear, you know, 200 done it. 200 done it.
Can't give me that. Man, that couldn't say this up,
So did I give it to him?
No, you see money and we're telling you to no,
I'm
not
telling
these
you,
guys.
don't give me money. So to receive 500 pop out, and we are telling me, you can't give me money.
In front of a begging, in front of begging. You want to hear him? Brown lady, everything. That lady in the green, red shoes. Kind of go on, nobody pay no mind.
But I never seen a children with the girl that showed me them. And he said, come on, Yvette, come on. The mother said, the car lane. Rather than pick grab on one toe.
Hey,
After behave.
never you ever.
After them behave. The man said, I'm going to grab on one toe.
And you're Jamaican something.
You let him out to him by what she want by.
Change your mind.
Yeah, change your mind. Just give it to your man. After that, today we were driving out by where 3 Mile is. And you know, they have the windshield wiper them on there.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So they come and wipe the cars. But me, I interact with them all the time. So, you know, listen to them, you know, I'm not have it right now. You know, just, and then we still wipe the windscreen and then go for
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Customers, I'm on flight
Here we have to them say,
with non-stop service to JFK, New York.
I said them take
My name is Amelia. I'm an audience with the new This departure of your flight has been delayed to 6:48 p.m.
They're ready. Jesus Christ.
Time nature and unexpected appearance. We are team to minimize the severity as possible. Just sincerely apologize for any inconvenience.
Shante say, tell them say she not have no money. She not not today. She not have no money today. Say when I can't say next one come. You can't come from January to the money. You not come. No for that me in our much sense. Me I tell you. Not today.
Good afternoon, I welcome to Triple 561-576 with service in Florida. My name is Sid Asia and I'm flying to New York flight today along with Sophie and Brianna. We're at gate number 2. As you may have noticed, the departure for flight has been delayed until 6:59. This delay is due to aircraft arriving later than expected here in Kingston.
No. People go see on YouTube.
Me, mommy, and Alien.
Stay currently stay close to the gate area in case you're able to leave earlier.
Let her Alien out of the roundabout. The let her Alien. Spanish Town, right with the gas station there. From the bypass. The place we left off Alien. One man stand up. One corner. Listen to me. One man stand up on the corner. One man stand up on the corner. I don't know where this man going. Me only see a woman out the front side tell him man. To go and go on the front. Tell it. This lady just see the woman pull the front door and tell him man. Go on in. Go on the front. Stop it. Stop it. No.
One stranger.
And there's a man standing on the corner with Letara. And before I could turn my head, me just see my mother over the front seat. And I tell the man,
We go.
stand down here. So I say, hello. Just send nobody stand up. I say, this man? She said, no, I know you really my grandma at church. She said, oh, you
Do that.
Yeah, my spirit tell me, my tell
The
me.
spirit.
Your spirit
No, I'm
keep
not
down
with-
with you alone.
Yeah, with you alone.
With me.
Yeah.
Because I said them trick people. They
Yeah.
think that when them a come.
But then go and catch by the come on the side.
Yeah, them come like them a decent
Like,
citizens. So I don't
they might come like
understand.
angel.
I don't know which
You run them out?
Me tell the lady, say to tell the man if he go on about him, Mr. Taxi man wait for him. She walk me tell her she walk me down, put the man in her car and say, her spirit tell her say, don't you roll the man. I say, mommy, you walk me bex, all them and I say, thank you, driver, me not answer him. And then man, and she me upset with her.
You let the man in the car, so. I don't know the man.
Yes, I'm right.
We can't carry him.
I mean,
Oh, Jamaica run, mommy. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I would love to, but I'm sorry. I don't take those chances. I don't know this man from Adams.
yeah.
None of this man stuff to come.
And only two of them alone like her.
Yes, and that I only support to say, the lady only front seat tell the man to go outside and drive and feel man
Man,
come
joke
pushing
me
on
in the
the
side.
Yeah, right there, so. True, man. Because they now come rugged anymore, you know. They now come look like all them Bible and say, true.
So the man will come.
I said, ask her which time man I go. Me say, she said the man in the next thing for me like her.
So let's tell about that,
She,
young man.
cause she across the road and she said, she like the man has so many steps, I can't tell you all of them.
Yeah.
My wife is a, me don't know, she not take her pill them and she had do something on me. I said, boy, it come like me because she change her medication.
Something if it happen.
Yeah.
Something if it happen.
Mad.
Mad. She mad, man. No, we see the come on and he asked me, say, me got to be in church. Me know in church. I said, why you do with that? He said, come. Yeah, the Almighty.
Yes, we are dealing. Yes, we are for that.
You know man church.
See what I do with man.
You know man church.
See what I do with
You know all the church we go?
Yes, I'm in church. I don't want church. I don't want church.
Right, you're right. If you know, say,
I don't want church. So I'm just telling if you come. I don't put me in the box.
In the back. You know want to put in the back.
No, I'm not putting me in the box.
Yeah, they
So
should
I
have
can see.
Yeah, at all.
If you don't want it in your back, what am I like?
No, but I told you not to Jamaica road.
I know, but you know you got to tell us say he's a good man.
Goat. No man, I work with no goat.
Me, I go to junction and I see one Indian lady, old Indian lady, you know, I beg her ride, and everybody should go to. She look for her. And me, same thing after the spirit business. And when she named said, don't get no ride. Crystal said, no. And from Crystal said, no. Then when we drive after Crystal explained to me, say, same thing you say. Then I come no more with cutting on their face.
Yeah.
Them I come like that.
Yeah man, and them I go stop you down the road, so stop you and say, I have some here come off, them friend down
And
there.
their friend I come to
wait.
this. I stay in the Crystal side.
It's all work out, but I'm never come to pray for me today.
Yeah, bad. Yeah, bad.
It's all work out. It was a good man. Went to church. No problem with it.
Yeah.
So what can I say? I'm not in good a guidance and I care for me. I think that's a positive way there.
No, but even the thing about it is you
Worse, and
don't
if the
know the
best
man.
come, they'll
You
take
don't know
it,
the man,
huh?
that's you don't know the man. You don't know what crosses my coming that carry come. You don't know the man.
True that skill, but
You can't take the rest there.
me don't know me to carry step. You arrested me see man and he have me. Me don't know me to carry step.
Yvette, I say you live, Yvette, man. I say you live. I say you live your life. I say you live your life.
Please remember that you are on camera.
I say you live your life.
I'm going to dash this way and I'm going to use what? I come.
Yeah.
Yes, driver.
Why? Not everything to carry all of the members of the next time. Whenever I am sorry.
Like our vans.
Are you vlogging? So you have the camera down on the ground.
Yeah man. Dog, I'm my wife on WestJet flight. We were supposed to leave after me, but my flight delayed. About 5 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's the first message on us, though. You know, babe? First message on us.
You know, man, if you're on a bit, man, I first I travel. Also, reach here, people make them live in here, sir. Come down one time.
First class people, don't you? This one here.
There's pink one on the room.
Me breadfruit, you know. And then nothing. I say, yo, the 2 weeks just zoop. Really happen. Oh man. When they are foreign too long. Yeah, place are different. I was getting out of yeah man, I still come on in here, save it. Yeah. So we don't have any now. get carried away. Eh? Jano.
No overweight charge. Kingston
Oh. What do you want to do a ship? Instead of carrying it on the plane. Hmm? Yeah? Coming soon? Oh. I'm gonna go memory card. 64 gigs. True.
And a fan.
I got no seat there. So. Eh?
Go down to your gate, ma'am, to see what's going on.
Make it as much wheelchair people. Eh? No. I first never see so much people. A wheelchair.
Four.
Yeah. Take them and call in by
Yeah.
Your zone.
seat zone. Yeah, by a zone.
Yeah. But if you're in a wheelchair, you can't sit.
Eh?
You want to say any gun?
Yeah. Yeah, my wheelchair can't sit. I don't mean me.
You travel with high blood pressure and come like this and take you.
Eh.
You have to sit on the ground.
Next time you travel here, first you will need a wheelchair. Then wheel it through the airport.
When people don't need no, then just request it, you know. No, they're not
I get to
anyway.
age where you can't request.
You can't tell me alone, but you gotta get to it, you can't request it. Leave me alone.
You might not look it. But don't worry yourself.
Sure.
By next year, you can tell him say you need a wheelchair.
You don't get one fifth for your father.
I'm a strong man.
He's like my young boy.
Take care of yourself. Nancy raw.
Real adventure, yeah?
Good boy. Get your stand up. Get your stand up.
Cheers.
Leave her coming.
Leave a comment. I like that as well.
You might need a mic. I don't. Do you think I can hear you?
Yeah, man. Clearly, man. Clearly, I don't know whisper. But now get a mic. I get two mics. I mean, like, at the drone shot, them just quiet.
Yeah,
You have to get a mic.
Onto the drone.
I don't
I don't know if it's on the drone or it would be on your
Person standing there.
Yeah, but I was looking
Sometimes
on
you don't-
YouTube.
Sometimes you don't want the person. You shooting. Talking. I would get some wonderful drone shot. I would be on the outside. I never say. They never changing the thing.
changing the thing, but I have a video with you coming down after the rooftop.
Yeah. Check one drone shot.
So why are there no seats by the gates?
Passengers are reminded not to keep any bag unattended.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Oh, hi. Where are the seats for the people who don't have wheelchairs?
Seats?
Yes, the
Seats
seats.
are all the way around there.
Oh, so yes, so it's when we come. So it's
No,
okay.
You're not supposed to wait.
there's no seat. There's just a little few for persons first. So we should stay at the video, me?
No, you know, in my video, sir, me a video rasta man here, so.
No, me not video, me just in the
Come look, I see. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, it's fine. You can follow his YouTube page.
No adventure, you know?
Okay.
You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Anyways, we're gonna some secret in here. That is new. That is news to
You
me.
have some seats down there. You can, like when the gate is here close by.
Yeah.
You can probably sit down and listen for the announcement.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just do that.
Yeah.
No, down there. Come.
Come back here for people. Listen to the announcement and don't make the
Soul adventurer.
That's not the price.
First, come here. This is how it's always been. I feel like this. Oh, there's a plane. The plane's here. The plane is here. Yeah, each gate should have seats, no?
From here too. Pyramid dinner.
They probably don't have enough money yet.
Eh?
They probably don't have enough money to put in all the seats yet.
But yes, this place down there.
What do you guys take back from Jamaica when you travel? I'm taking home KFC. Is that weird?
Keep it in our brain, Father.
Why? What do you care back? What do you care back when you visit Jamaica?
Huh?
What's on your must-take back list when you visit?
Oh, I have breadfruit. I have ackee. I have the real high priest deli roots from Bobo Camp. Yeah, whenever I come to Jamaica, I have to go to Bobo Camp to get Aroy.
Oh, you get the roots. Like, give them the number. Which number you call to get the roots? Like?
You put me in the spot.
You can't tell them say you
And,
get the real roots, so you're not tell them how
East
them get the
Indian
real roots.
mango. Cane, sugar cane.
That's some of the things you care back when you
My suitcase packed.
Yeah, sir.
All food.
Well, I guess it's a generational gap because all I care back is this bucket of KFC. Nothing else. I'm not carrying back another thing.
I have probably around 10 pound of pork, jerk pork in my suitcase now. Jerk chicken.
I'm going to cut the camera
What
for
is
you.
it?
Alright. I didn't ask you what you're taking back. I said, what's on your must take back list? Like what's the one thing that you have to carry back?
I
with
couldn't
you?
get enough of jerk chicken, so I have to stop in the airport and get more jerk chicken.
You just sound like
Island
a
grill?
foodie. You just have 10 pounds of pork, a cake,
and I
bread,
still
a
have to
beer
get the
food
great,
shaker back. And she still have to stop.
Look. Yeah, and I have a bucket of KFC there.
You have nothing, man. You have nothing.
Pay food. Food.
Come touch this.
Fried fish.
Come touch this. We want to see you touch this so we're going.
Yeah.
Like how when you eat whatever Popeye's chicken. Let me see you touch this.
That is it. Alright. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't hurt yourself too much.
Well, you have to get that chance to say, I'm on Portland.
Who you see on the Poggy alone?
Yeah, but you know,
Me?
see Portland, YouTubers.
Oh, bigger five.
You
Bigger
saw
percent,
them?
bigger five.
Oh, bigger five, I say.
Yeah, I did really want to meet. I did really looking forward to meet bigger five. Yeah, but bigger percent, bigger five. The next trip.
I have him number and everything still.
Yeah.
You got time. I'm gonna come back here next month.
Where?
I think at Edmonton.
Edmonton.
Please don't put me in the vlog here because me's a hot girl. I'm in the from the hot girl thing today. So
why you turn the camera on you?
you can cut it out. I didn't want to look and say, oh, my ear or behave. You just cut it out.
Put the camera on you, Sanana.
It's all up on the toilet, you know, so the
You
wash.
put the animal alone now.
We can probably cut it now. How much minute now?
14, yeah, you can cut it.
14 leave?
14 minutes. It was been recording for 14
Oh,
minutes.
maybe 15 minutes.
So we have 16 leave. So I'll cut it and leave it now. Look, come
Peace
on.
out.
Look, come on.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share and leave a comment. Great adventure. Peace out.
We can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side. I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me.